Welcome to the Determinate Airdrop campaign. Join the celebration, get your share of the future. We are thrilled to announce the kickoff of Determinate's exclusive Airdrop campaign, a milestone event that rewards early adopters and supports the growing Determinate community. This is your chance to be part of the financial revolution and earn DTH tokens. Get rewarded, secure your share of DTH tokens simply by participating in our community-driven initiatives. Be an early bird, gain early access to the Determinate ecosystem, and be among the first to experience the innovative DeFi solutions. Your support helps us build a stronger network, and we believe in rewarding those who join us on this journey. How to get involved? You need to sign up, register for the airdrop on your campaign page, complete simple tasks, engage with us on social media, spread the word, and contribute to the community to qualify for the airdrop. Collect your DTH token and watch your investment in the future of finance take a flight. Token allocation pool of DTH token has been reserved exclusively for the airdrop participants. Distribution date: token will be distributed after the campaign ends directly to your wallet. Open for all. Don't miss out this unique opportunity to be rewarded as we prove the way for a fairer, more accessible DeFi landscape. Act now, join the Determinate airdrop and secure your piece of DeFi revolution. Don't forget to like our video, do subscribe our channel.